Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 5.2 of AP. We will start question number 6. Question 6. Question 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 ... Check whether 1 minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 ... So we have to check minus 50 minus 150 will be the term of this AP or not. Suppose solution, let minus 150 be its nth term. हमने इसको लेट कर लिया कि minus 150 be its nth term. Now from the AP, A equal to 11, D equal to second term minus first term. 8 minus 11 equal to minus 3. This will be the D. So A equal to 11, D equal to minus 3. Now we will use nth term formula. So AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So in place of AN you will write minus 150. So you will write minus 150 equal to A is 11. 11 plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. You will write minus 3. Now minus 150 equal to 11 plus n minus 3, n minus 1 into minus 3. You will bring 11 to this side. So minus 150 minus 11 equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. This will become minus 150 and minus 11. This will become minus 161 equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. Now this and this cancel, and 161 upon 3 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 161 upon 3, 161 upon 3 plus 1. So n equal to 164 upon 3. Now n equal to 164 upon 3. Now we look at the value of n. Value of n is not a natural number. So minus 150 will not be the terms of this AP. देखिए AP का टर्म्स तभी ये होगा जब ये n की वैल्यू एक तो नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए, और ये कोई मतलब सीधा मतलब क्या है कि दिस शुड बी ए नेचुरल नंबर. ये एक नेचुरल नंबर होनी चाहिए, तभी ये एपी का टर्म होगा, नहीं तो टर्म नहीं होगा. अगर वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में आती है मतलब नेचुरल नंबर नहीं होती है तो फिर वो टर्म्स नहीं होगा. तो दिस minus 150 विल नॉट बी द टर्म ऑफ दिस एपी. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 7. Now we will discuss question number 7. Question 7. Find the 31st term. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So this is the question. Solution: 31st term फाइंड आउट करना है, 11th term 38. तो गिवन में क्या है? गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन 11 term मीन्स A11 इक्वल टू 38. A11 मीन्स A प्लस 10D इक्वल टू 38. ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हो जाएगा. A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference. Now 16th term A16 is 73. So A plus 15D equal to 73. This is the second equation. Now we will solve both the equation 1 and equation 2. We will solve these two equations to get the value of A and D. Now subtracting equation first from second. On subtracting equation first from second, you will get A plus 15D equal to 73, A plus 10D equal to 38. If you subtract this will be cancelled out, you will get 5D equal to 73 minus 38. You will get 13 minus 8. You will get 5 and 3. So D equal to 35 upon 5. 5 7 ja 35. So D is equal to 7. You will get D equal to 7. Now we will put value of D in equation first. This is our first equation, A plus 10D equal to 38. So you will put the value of D in this equation. So A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. A plus 70 equal to 38. So A equal to 38 minus 70. If you subtract 38 minus 70, so A will equal to, you will get 10, 8, 2 बचेगा and 6 minus 3, so you will get 32 minus 32. You will get minus 32. A equal to minus 32. Now A equal to, now A equal to, we got A equal to minus 32 and D equal to 7. Now we got A equal to minus 32 and D equal to 7. Now we have to find out 31st term of this AP. So 31st, A31 equal to A plus 30D. A plus 30D. You will get A31 equal to, you will put the value of A and D. A is minus 32 and 30 into D. D is 7. You will get A31 equal to minus 32 plus 7 3 are 20, 1 210. If you A31 equal to, if you subtract, you will get 178. So 31st term will be 178. 31st term क्या हो जाएगा? 178 हो जाएगा. This will be your answer.